Okay, so since yesterday I have a problem, and which means that upper tip here on my PS5 controller is spinning, but it's not spinning in the same rate like this one here. So it's technically loose, which means this one here, it's fully connected with the lower part, right? But this one, just the upper part, as you can see, I just can spin it without moving the lower part. So my hope would be to take that out and maybe fix it with some wonder glue for the time being. To take your controller apart, there are actually just 4 screws. You have to flip off with a little, like so, screwdriver, that part, and also this part. I'll show you later when we put it together. And then you have to lose these 2 screws here, and then you see there are actually just 2 screws, so it's 4 in total. And now let's take this out and just see if we can glue it. Okay, now here are actually 2 little latches which you need to push open. And now we open that thingy, and you actually see the battery here. So next thing I'm gonna do is disconnecting the battery real quick. So okay, I pulled the motherboard now, and we have that stick here, and actually now I can show you. You see this one is just rotating on its own, and I'm hoping if I could glue it down here that we fix the problem. That this one here, you see that it should not spin around. It should be firmly connected to that part. By the way, I'll put a link in the video description to show you how really to disconnect this. There is actually a good video which shows that. It doesn't show how to repair this, so that guy is just replacing this one. Since I do not have a replacement part, let's just try to glue it, put it back together, and then see what happens. Okay, so I was actually massaging in some super glue, and I actually just, it's hard to show, but I just massaged it in like around that edge here, and my hope would be that it's just like flowing inside and penetrate there. And then let's see, I'm pretty sure it's just a temporary fix until I can buy a new controller, but maybe it helps me out a few days. So actually I figured out it's the top part which I have to glue, so I'm gonna glue the top part as well. Okay, so as I said, it's a temporary fix, but what you can see now, it's working properly now again, and it's like this one no longer spinning, and that maybe should help me a few weeks or days until I get a new one. And full disclaimer, that's just my repair. I'm not recommending that method at all. You'd rather change that stick, but that's just a DIY I just did.